Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize who can invite you in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the video icon with pink background. Then click on the settings icon in the right hand side of the screen. Here you can see who can invite me option. Here if you select anyone, then anyone can invite you in their live. Similarly, if you select friends, then only your friends can invite you. And if you select the no one option, then no one can invite you. Now select the one that you prefer. And that is how you can customize who can invite you in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.